outcomes.
Divisibility rules of numbers.
Divisibility rules of numbers.
Factors of numbers and multiplications of numbers. Prime numbers and its compacts and composite numbers. LCM and methods to find LCM. HCF and methods to find HCF.
Yes. Now, before that, read the third point.
Prime numbers and its concept and composite numbers.
Yes. And now read the first point. Read the first point. Divisibility.
Divisibility rules of numbers.
Yes, divisibility rules of the numbers. Do you know what are the rules of the divisibility? Do you know what are the rules of the divisibility? Huh? For example,
No, sir.
yes, for example, now concentrate on here. If, for example, any number divisible with 2, any number divisible with 2 means that the number should be ends with either 0, 1, sorry, not 1, 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. The number should be ends with these numbers. And also those numbers are also called as what? Even numbers. Right? Even numbers. Even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the number is ends with these numbers, that number is divisible in 2 tables. For example, the number is 1024 is a number. Yes, the number is a what number? 1024 is a number. This 1024 is a number is ends with what? 4. Na? Yes. 4. Now, this 4 is there in this list or not? Yes. If this list, if the end number, the unit place digit number, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, if the number is present with this numbers, then this number is divisible in what table? 2 table. That is the divisibility of 2. Now, now check that in 2 table this number divisible or not? 1024, right? And in 2 5s are 10, and take that 2 here, 2 1s are 2, again take the 4, 2 2s are 4, yes or no? 2 2s are 4, and final my answer is how? Remainder is how much? 0. Yes. In the table, this number is divisible or not? Yes. At where? 512. Now, yes. Aryan Tej, Srinivasulu, please mute your voice. Diagram, mute your voice. Now, here see that this number is divisible in 2 table or not after checking of this condition? Yes. But in all the time, there is no need to check one again and again. You can simply say that by seeing the question, by looking of the question, you can conclude this number is divisible in 2 table or not. How can you say that? If the number is ends with these numbers, that number is divisible in what table? 2 table.
2 table.
Now, shall I give the one question? Can you answer me this? 1975 this number is divisible in 2 table or not?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes, not no. Yes, this number is divisible in 2 table because of the unit. Don't check this all these numbers, how many digits are there. You are concentrate on only the unit place digit. What is the unit place digit?
2.
2 is a even number or not?
Yes.
That number is divisible in 2 table. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, I will give one more question. Now answer it that 17, 90, 50, 6. This number divisible in 2 table?
Yes.
How can you say that?
Last is
Yes, sir. Last number is there in 2 table.
Yes, because of last digit is a unit place digit is a what digit? 6. 6 is a even number and this number is divisible in 2 table. That's why the complete number is divisible in what table? 2 table. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes. Now everybody understood that numbers are divisible in 2 table. How to identify that? Now tell me, I will give the one more question. 1976, 83. This number divisible in 2 table?
No.
No. Very good. Why? Because the last digit number is a what digit?
Last number.
Odd digit.
3.
Odd digit can't be divisible in 2 table. That's why the complete given number is not divisible in what table? 2 table.
2 table.
Yes. Anybody have any doubts about this? No. Now, no. Very good. Now go for that. Divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Anybody knows that? For example, 9 is a number. This number divisible in 3 table or not? Yes or no? This number is divisible in 3 table or not? Yes. 3 is a 9. 9 is
Yes.
9 is 9 is divisible in what table? 3 table. Yes. The similar way. Now tell me that 12.
3 table.
12 is a number is divisible in 3 table.
No.
No, na. No, na.
Yes.
3 4.
Yes.
Yes, very good. 3 4.
3 4 12.
3 4 12.
12.
Now tell me that 24 is a number divisible in 3 table.
Yes.
Is in what? 3 8s are
24.
24. Yes or no? Now similarly, 54 is a number divisible in 3 table.
No.
54 is a number divisible in
No, sir.
no or yes sir.
No.
No.
Yes, is divisible in 3 table. It is divisible in. Please mute your voice, everybody. Everybody, please mute your voice. Yes, in the 3 table, 3 ones are 3, remainder is 2, carry this 4 here, 3 8s are 24. Yes or no? This number is divisible in 3 table or not? Yes. Now similarly, can you tell me that 64? 64 is divisible in 3 table. 64 is divisible in 3 table or not? Now check. 3 2s are 6. Here 0. 4. 3 1s are 3. Remainder is 1. 64 is not divisible in 3 table.
No.
82 is divisible in 3 table. Yes or no? Now check it that.
No.
3 2s are 6. Remainder is 2 and here 22. 3 7s are 21 and remainder is 1. This 82 is not divisible in 3 table. Now our question is how to identify whether this number is divisible in 3 table or not, like a 2-digit number, like a 2 in the 2 table divisible numbers, like that. How to identify the number without doing of this simplification, that is a very important. Now tell me that first of all you have to know that 3 table, everybody, I hope everybody knows that 3 table are not. Yes, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, and yeah, wait, hold it. Now, if you have to just remember these 3 digits, 3, 6, 9. These 3 digits are divisible in what table? 3 table or not? Yes. If that you digit is either this number or this number or this number, or the sum of the digits, sum of the digits. Oh, Reddy Harshita, who's that? Sum of the digits are divisible in 3 table. The given number is divisible in 3 table. Now tell me that, for example, here the number is what? 81 is there. 81 is divisible in 3 table or not? How can you check that? Just add these 2 digits. 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. Now 9 is divisible in 3 table or not?
Yes.
So this number is divisible in 3 table. If you have doubt, check it. 81, here 3, 3 twos are 6, here remainder is 2 and 1, 3 sevens are 21. Yes or no? So here remainder is how much? 0. This 81 is divisible in what table? 3 table. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, the next, see. Now, here the number. For example, I am giving the number 72 is divisible in 3 table. How to do that? Just 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is divisible in 3 table or not? Yes. So this number is divisible in 3 table. For example, 312 is divisible in 3 table. 312 is no. How can you say that? 3 plus 1, 4.
Yes, sir.
4 plus 2,
6.
6 is divisible. 6 is divisible in 3 table or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this number is also divisible in 3 table. Now tell me that 912 is divisible in 3 table. Now check. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12.
Yes, sir.
12. 12
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, everybody, you understood that what? The numbers, what are the numbers? These numbers are divisible in 3 table or not? In a similar way, shall we go for the rule number 4? The numbers are divisible by 4 table or not? How can you say that? Now the numbers are divisible in 4 table. How to identify the numbers? We know that 2 number divisible, 3 number divisible, and now in the 4. For example, there is a number 1976. If this is a number, how can you say that this number divisible in 4 table or not? Your simple job is take last 2 digits. Take your last 2 digits and divide by the 4. If this number is divisible in 4 table, then the entire number is divisible in 4 table. 4 ones are 4, remainder is 3 and is 6. 4 nines are 36. Yes or no? So therefore this number is divisible in 4 table. That's why this number also divisible in four digits, four number. Now, for example, this is about 2016 is there. This is divisible in four table or not? How can you check that? Take the last two digits, 16, divisible in four table. 4 4s are 16. So this number also divisible in four tables. For example, 2021 is divisible in four table or not? Just take the last two digits and divide in four table. No. So therefore this number is not divisible in four table. Right?
Four
So
table.
now I hope you understood about the four table also. Now four is completed. Now coming to the
Yes,
five. If any digit is ends with either 0 or 5, the numbers are divisible, sorry, end with either 0 or 5, that number is divisible in 5 table. That number is divisible in what table? Now, for example, 1025 is there. Is divisible in 5 table or not? Yes.
yes,
Because of the last digit 5 is divisible in 5 table. That's why the entire number is divisible in 5 table. Right? Now go for the second. Next. Now the 6. Do you want 6 or not? Yes. For example, the number is 7682. If this is the number, how can you say that this number divisible in 6 table or not? First of all, if this number divisible in 2 table, yes, because of last digit is a 2, that's why this number is divisible in 2 table. Now this number divisible in 3 table. Now check that 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. 17 is can't be divisible in 3 table, yes or no? So therefore you can conclude that this number is can't divisible in 6 table. From this statement, what you understood that? From this statement, you can understood if any number is divisible in 6 table, that number should be divisible in 2 table and 3 table. 2 table and 3 table. That number must be divisible in this both the tables. Then you can conclude this number divisible in 6 table. Got it? Then go for the next. Now, remaining the 7 table, 8 table, 9 table, 10 table. These are the homeworks. These 4 are homeworks. And homework, not only the simple homework, this is the project work. You have to read that and you have to learn that how to do any number, if there is a number, how the number is divisible in 7 table, how that is in 8 and 9, 10. Right? Search in Google, take the help of your parents and write it, find out that in what cases, what possibilities, like what I explained to you. In the similar way, how if there is any number, how can you identify that this number is divisible in 7 table or not? If there is any particular rule, write it, write the examples, and you have to submit and by the Monday. And one more thing. Next is the what? Those who have the textbooks, open the textbooks.
Open, sir.
Yes, I have to see your faces. How can? Yeah. Yes.